Alright, what's up YouTube? Back again for another video. Um, I wanted to just show you guys this email really fast because I love to be transparent with you guys. Um, so let me read this email. I have it kind of minimized a little bit so you guys can't see my email. Um, but it says to increase selection for merch by Amazon customers in the UK, Germany, France, Italy, and Spain. We would like to select a set of existing products to translate and enable using our default list price on your behalf. Actions taken on these products will not impact your account standing. If you would like to participate, no further action is required. If you do not wish to participate, please reply to this email with opt out by May 4th, 2021. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this is what I was talking about, man. This is what the email looks like when they did the Japan markets and they tiered everybody up, okay? So this time it doesn't say anything about the tier up, but I'm pretty sure they're either going to do that because what if you don't have slots left and they're trying to make you, be on these different, marketplaces. So either they're going to have to tier us up or they're just going to make it where they're just, we're not going to have to use any slots at all. And we just get a bunch of free slots in different marketplaces. So I just wanted to show you guys that before I showed you guys my daily update and what's going on today in my merch account. So that's what I meant, y'all. You have to start posting in different marketplaces, even if it's just one each, man, or a couple designs each in marketplace. You never know when you're going to get the opportunity with Amazon to level you up, tier you up just because you're using these marketplaces. You got to stay on top of this stuff and do your research and visit other channels like mine and others just to get the game. But yeah, definitely. So I'm hoping to get a skip a tier, man. Or either way, it just means more money for us. You know what I'm saying? So either way they do it, if they don't tier me up and put me in the other marketplaces, that's cool. That's fine. I'm fine with that. Only thing I don't know about and what I'm a little bit worried about is the designs that I have that may be illegal in other countries. Certain weed designs that I have. So, I might send Amazon an email asking about it, or I might just go straight to it and at least delete all the weed designs that aren't selling, just in case any of them get flagged. It's not a long list of things. So yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys about that before I, started my daily thing. I told you guys though, man, you gotta upload in these other marketplaces. So let's get on to today. So here's my daily update. I got one sale today. Ended up getting one sale yesterday. I ended up getting 0 royalty yesterday. So you know what that means? That means something sold that hasn't sold. Um, which is great. Like I said, I'm trying to get more different shirts to rank before I get to tier 1000, which hopefully that means it might be coming tomorrow. Usually when they send out those type of emails, tier ups are coming real soon. So if I get to skip to tier 2000, oh man, we gonna go crazy. We gonna go crazy on this channel. So I'm just very excited and hoping that they choose that route to tier certain people up that are using these marketplaces. Amazon's trying to be the biggest e-commerce site in the world, in every country, in every place. So they're making big steps to do that. Let's see. Yesterday, what was this shirt? Oh, yeah. So yeah, this is another shirt that I had for a while, and I had it priced up at 17.99, and then I turned it to 13.07. It ended up selling, so that's cool. I definitely put the price back up to 17.99 after it sold. And then this one today is something that sells every now and then for me. Um, Nothing really major on this one. This is not really one of my regular selling designs. And I don't know, merch has been really inconsistent lately, and I think it's really due to a lot of changes that Amazon is making. A lot of people don't know that the CEO of Amazon stepped down, so it's under a new head person. So I think they're changing a couple things, tweaking a couple things. I know merch isn't going anywhere. We're making them way too much fucking money. But they're definitely tweaking some things, doing some different things. I think we might have some new products coming up soon. So I'm just excited for this journey and what is to come for merch. And, you know, a lot of people don't realize merch has only been around for a few years. So there's so much more to come. I'm sure it's going to get as big as how many products damn near that Redbubble has. And so I'm excited to take this journey. Um, so let me show you this month. I got to the same amount of sales as I got last month. But of course, I turned all my unsold products to 1307, so I took a dive as far as royalties, but you know, I'm eligible for my tier up and I'm happy, and that's the goal I wanted to accomplish this month. So I'm okay with that. Um, we check out this month. A little bit of everything was selling, you know. Um, Usually there's two shirts that I have that just fucking kill it. But one of the shirts that is like my number one selling shirt, as far as royalties, I sell it for $19.99. I was killing it, but of course there's these copycats that will make a design that's exactly yours or something that's exactly yours, and then you kind of not sell as many as usual. And you know, sometimes I go on there and I report people, but lately I just haven't been giving a fuck. I just been keeping creating and creating and creating because I realize the time that I take um, to find these designs that are people are infringing. it's it's discouraging, you know. It's frustrating when I could just be figuring out what I'm creating next and just keep it going and keeping it going and keeping it going. You know, those type of people, they get theirs, they never last on this platform, you know. So I try to keep my energy on creating, you know, and not the negative part of, you know, merch. um so um Yeah, this month was really interesting. A lot of shirts that never ever sold this month, and then the shirts that are usually killing it for me weren't selling. So it's very interesting. Um, I'm definitely going to be attacking some new niches. I have some new niches ready to go for when my tier up comes. Um, So we'll see how that goes. I'm definitely pivoting in the niches that I'm targeting, um, trying to target more things that people care about, you know, like it's a necessity to have, you know, like different awareness shirts, different, you know, social justice shirts, shirts that make a statement. Um, those are more the things that I'm pivoting to because those are the ones that, you know, fuck around and check your account, you're gonna have 15, 30, you know, sales if you hit right on the right one. So those are the ones that I'm pivoting to. Those are the kind of shirts that sell for a little bit more in the 7.99 and 22 to 22 range. So I'm trying to get pivot to more of those type of things, and also staying with, you know, evergreens, 80% evergreens, 20% trends. That's my thing. So yeah, that's how we're gonna do that. But yeah, man, if you stayed through all of this to this video, it's been pretty interesting to see how many people from different countries and different states and different places. So if you can comment below where you're from, that would be greatly appreciated. I just want to kind of see, you know, where my audience is from. I'm actually based in Seattle, Washington. So yeah, man, comment below. Make sure you are subscribed. I make content like this all the time. I'm definitely going to give you guys value out of my channel. I'm going to keep it real with y'all, and I'm going to be honest with y'all. So yeah, subscribe, man. Till next time.